If you want to stop recurring charges on Epic Games, follow these simple steps to manage your subscriptions effectively. This guide will help you cancel any unwanted payments. Step 1. Log into your Epic Games account. Visit the Epic Games website and log in using your account credentials. Make sure you are using the account associated with the recurring charges you want to stop. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, click on your profile icon in the top right corner and select Account from the drop-down menu. This will take you to your account settings where you can manage your subscriptions. Step 3. Access the Subscriptions section. In the Account Settings menu, look for the Subscriptions tab. Click on it to view all active subscriptions linked to your Epic Games account. Step 4. Review your active subscriptions. In the Subscriptions section, you will see a list of all active subscriptions. Identify the subscription you wish to cancel and click on it for more details. Step 5. Cancel the subscription. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. After completing these steps, you should no longer incur recurring charges from Epic Games. If you have any further questions or issues, consider reaching out to Epic Games support for assistance.